Hi, Orlando Ramirez with InsuraPro Advisors here. Bringing you guys some information. We received a call the other day at the agency about a customer that was a little concerned with his neighbor's tree. The tree looked like it was maybe dead or kind of rotting, and it was a very large tree near one of the side of the property. He was concerned that maybe during a storm it could fall and fall on their house. I asked him, have you spoken to your neighbor? And he said, yeah, we had a quick conversation. He said he would take care of it, but it's been a couple months now, so he was really concerned. So he advised what he should do. Was it covered under his policy? I said, of course it was, but you don't want your policy to pay for it. It's not your tree. It's the neighbor's tree. So what we recommended was write a certified letter, mail it to your neighbor, making sure that he got it, he'll sign for it, there's legal proof. And after that, actually the neighbor was able to resolve it and did take care of it. But it is really important that you as a homeowner are on the lookout for potential risks, whether it's a tree, whether it's a fence that's dangling, whether there's a dog that could potentially bite a child or something. Anything that is out of the ordinary, you need to make sure you're documenting, you have pictures, you have proof, so that way it's not going on your policy and you're protecting your assets. So it's really important, again, that you as a homeowner are taking that initiative to protect it. If you have any situations like that, or you want us to give you some advice on a particular situation, please reach out to us at InsuraPro Advisors. We're happy to help.